It's good drama, you know. I feel part of me feels awfully for the families, the Haughey family and the Lenihan family and the Doherty family, to see their husband or their dad in many ways pilloried, and I think that's hugely unfair. That they've taken, you know, huge dramatic license around events and targeted specific people. I think that's dreadfully unfair. But it's all in the interest of ratings. It's all in the interest of ratings, and you know, we'll see the third episode and see what comes out of it. But I just, as I watch it, I think it's a personal thing. I just think of the families having to watch this and seeing their loved ones portrayed in a certain way for dramatic value.
Does it make you uncomfortable to be a member of Fianna Fáil?
Absolutely not. No. This is Fianna Fáil in 2015, and you know, we've a lot of changes and a lot of since then, and you know, there were a lot of negative aspects to Charlie Haughey's career and life which we don't support, but there also achieved a lot of good things as well. He achieved a lot of things that many people, you know, would talk about but didn't do, and you got to reflect that as well. And I think hopefully we'll come to a stage where there's much more rounder discussion of his life and his legacy than just focusing on the negative side of things.
Do you think that the programme is overtly focused on the negative aspects of his character, his career?
Negative makes for better drama.
Okay.
Drama makes for ratings.
Do you think it'll harm the party in any way? People reminded of the you know, the bad old days of the Fianna Fáil?
I genuinely don't think so. I think people at this stage are looking to politics in 2015 to actually answer to where they're at in 2015. They're looking for people who are going to resolve the employment issue, who are going to resolve the income issue. They're going to come up with solutions that are actually deliverable and reflect where they're at. And you know, a lot of people watching that, like, you know, mightn't have been born in the 80s, might have been kids or going to national school as I was in the 80s. Their lives are in a very different place now, and they're looking to politics to deliver outcomes relevant to 2015.
Okay.